All right, what's the word, guys? You guys haven't seen me in a while. It's because they was looking for your boy. You know what I'm saying? They posted your boy on the scanner, so I had to make sure that I ain't really do no shit that was actually, like, you know what I'm saying, offensible. Or they can come pick me up or come take my car or any of that other shit. But yeah, we back again. I'm not sure what we about to do. We about to go do something. My big baby is dirty. Dirtier than a motherfucker. That's still coming up. This still ain't got ordered. She's crusty as fuck. But at least we had a new AP, man. Kill switch been working well. Ain't nobody tried to steal my bitch when we've been out here so far in 2 weeks. And I've been here for 2 weeks. That means I ain't dropped in 2 weeks, which is bad. I'm about to give y'all boys a cold start. I know y'all been missing one of those. Let's see if I can get y'all that right here. Y'all gonna have to tell me once I start this bitch. That bitch is loud as fuck. Alright, we in this bitch. Low key. No, not, but he gotta be around though. Ooh.
This be salty and food.
Hold on. I see something. Shit.
Caleb. Hey. Look at you. Please. Oh my God.
I damn near got about this.
For what?
For nothing. I damn near got to. Alright, man, we got the skellies right here. You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing a lot of people do the skellies. That nigga dead. What the fuck is going on here?
She folded.
Right. This is missionary. Grab 2, 2, 3. Yeah, 2, 3. What, these? What these don't go? What the fuck? That's Phineas. They talking about that's Adam.
That is Adam.
That's Phineas.
No. Beetlejuice.
That's Phineas and Ferb.
No.
Hold on. Nigga got hands? The fuck? Bro. Oh God.
No.
Bro, I'm like, how the fuck this bitch work? Hey, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Do you guys have spider webs?
Spider webs? What kind of spider webs do you have? Like the pull apart type?
Yeah, like the net that you can hang on.
Okay. Follow me.
We here locked in. We got glow in the dark spider webs. We got the crime scene. We got bro ass. You know what I'm saying? We got green. I don't know. We might need another green. We sitting here alone. This shit longer than a motherfucker. We gonna be here for about an hour. Alright, bro. We finally made it to the front. I'm about to see how much it should come up to.
And if you...
Damn it.
You're so extra.
Oh, shit. Alright, baby. We done got all the motherfucking product. You know what I'm saying? Big baby about to get done up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's 5 days before Christmas. Fuck, I keep saying Christmas. Fuck. 5 days before Halloween, man. And my shit. Damn. But yeah, man. I'm checking out from here. I'm gonna check back in with y'all probably when I'm putting that shit on. And then, we're gonna be locked in on the flight. Eee! Alright, we done popped out Big Baby to the, you know what I'm saying, to the car wash. I gotta tap my yacht. Right on there. Gotta tap my yacht on the yacht and make it drop. Verify that Jickle Yang. Come on. Verify that Jickle Yang. All that shit flying back on the nigga. Alright, bet. I think that's enough Jickle Yang. Enough hibiscus on my meniscus. I got a hibiscus on my meniscus.
I'm Baltimore, but Goo High, Jickle Yang on a heavy Goo now, but dang.
Yeah. Alright, look. We got this going on. This my nigga Skelly. This Shelly. You know what I'm saying? They hold hands. It's a real true love story on some shit. And you know, I was sitting here and talking, you know what I'm saying, a little baby and shit. And we was talking about, instead of this bitch being Johnny Varvatos, you know what I'm saying? This not a Johnny Blaze, you know what I'm saying? On the Halloween tip, we're gonna change the name for a few days. She did say Ghost, but I said Johnny Blaze instead. Because Ghost Rider. You know, the Johnny Varvatos. It all tie in, you know what I mean? But we got this glow in the dark. We got this, we're gonna show y'all. We got this glow in the dark, yop. Oh, that shit sweet. That shit sweet as fuck. Look. I got this shit under my seats. Damn. Yeah, this shit lit as hell. That shit lit. So, we about to throw this on the car and see how it look. So, get in with your boy. Alright, man. This is the finished product. Well, semi-finished product. I might still do a little more. Missing fender, so I might grab some more webs and do that shit. But this is what we're working with. You know what I mean? Some little handprints on the back that you can barely see because my shit too black. And then this shit all glow in the dark, so we'll see how this shit look in the nighttime. Then we got the glow in the dark spiders. Let's see if I can just give y'all boys a sneak peek. Got the black spiders as well, but you can barely see those. Then we had caution tape, but the caution tape not sticky, and I really don't feel like putting it on there because I don't know where I'm gonna put it, and I'm getting tired of doing this shit at the moment. We do got a little bro up top, you know what I'm saying? I was thinking about doing him. I was thinking about doing a little bro. Right there. Basically like a Rolls Royce. You know what I'm saying? And nobody did no shit like that before. And bro is cute as hell. We can't forget these. We got a little bro up front. We also got young bro up front too. But let me know how y'all boys think about the way I did this. I'm gonna have to take it out and give y'all boys a official video. Alright guys, I'm back at my Duke's crib. This shit kinda been going all over the place since I've been driving, you know what I mean? A lot of this shit that went to the back. That shit chilling up there. Some shit chilling down there. But this all cool, it's alright. But I think I got stretched it from the fender all the way back. But this one, I ain't got nothing on the fender. So that's what I'm about to add some more on this side because, but that shit definitely not uneven, so look get that shit figured. Alright, it is what it is. This shit right here about to piss me off though. It's just motherfucking spiders. Got this shit all webbed up. No pun there. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man. I had to add tape in some places, you know what I'm saying? Because the shit ain't gonna stay everywhere. But now I'm adding a little skellies in there. See, skelly right there. Skelly right there. Skelly right there. I already showed y'all these ones up top. They holding on pretty fine. They ain't moving or nothing. Skellies right here. I mean, so Just add them on this side now. Probably should have been added these, but it is what it is. Alright guys, I'm on the way to get some gas. Nigga gonna eat. This motherfucking thing keep dinging. And then I gotta go to Family Dollar real quick and grab some toilet paper and shit like that, so I can dry my hands. I mean some paper towels and some toilet paper. Stinks in this bitch. Man, somebody just took a shit in that bitch. I ain't even want to breathe. All right, bro. So look, this is the problem that I knew I was gonna have. So let's see how we about to figure that out. For real. Things are good. Ooh. Bro, I've been paying $4 fucking change. Hold on, you see. Paying $4. I'm paying over $4 for gas ever since I put fucking 93, or got the 93 tune. Well, yeah, man, I'm trying to get some rollers and shit before I go back in the crib and shit. And then I'm gonna conclude this video, and then I'm gonna start another video with the shit I got on the car. So be patient with your boy. So, buddy. What do you say?
Nigga,
turn right. Don't hit the U-turn. Turn right. Come back down to Beaconsville.
He's scared because we going past the police station?
I stabbed past the gas. I stabbed past the
Alright, I'm about to, what's your name? I got it.
Right, come to Beaconsville,
Nigga, I was already in the turnaround. I saw you turn off, so I went to turn around.
Oh shit, alright, back. Come on. I'll follow you there.
That nigga shaking. Alright, we gotta go back to the crib though, cause it's about to get dark. Ain't no headlights around. Jet around. Ooh, that bitch look fresh. Good eight. That's a black man, he know what's going on. Old black man. It's not that though. It ain't? I don't hear nothing.
Bitch is quiet.
Bitch is quiet as hell.
You about to figure that out now.
Man, that nigga got a little distant. Wait, so where the fuck you at then?
Shit, I coming back on what's this, 12 mile?
Alright, he did that because he
So maybe I really could just meet you back at the crib, for real.
I ain't record on my phone. I wanted to record that shit on my phone.
Shit, yeah, nigga, this is real. I want to do this video, bro. Yeah, stay in the car. Hold on.
Sick of it.
Bro, I got a video on the
Where? That bitch instantly started recording as soon as you hit the button. We waiting on this nigga to pull up now, y'all. He want to do a little video. He said we had to pull over and get off the phone so he can explain this shit. We was already talking. I swear to God, he better go in full detail. Show me. Here you go. Let's see, y'all. Let's see what he talking about, bro. This nigga, dog.
And if you don't sit your goddamn ass pistol grip chin down somewhere.
Grip chin ass.
Damn, some Squidward around looking at him. It be hard though. Go ahead. I wanted to do a video where y'all pull up in the light. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, basically like how we did with the haircut shit. Okay. Yeah, and I roll down the window. I'm gonna roll down the window. It's gonna be all recorded. Be like, this bitch hard. I wonder who in that bitch. Yeah, he gotta roll the window. Somebody, that nigga handsome. He gotta say that. Duh, he gotta say that shit. Bro, you nighttime? Bro, you can't see out that bitch at all, bro. Nighttime, bro, you not. Yeah, nighttime is crazy. You supposed to take that off or something? Bro, I don't know, bro. You can. I probably would take it off, but shit, it make it look a little better with the shit on. Yeah, just the color of the eyes. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Naked. Bro, hold on. Are these good? Yeah, that's good. Bro, that's all you can see, bro. When you look in that bitch, bro. Nigga damn near looking like this. That shit crazy. Driving with this bitch on is silly as hell though. Especially with my shit like this. That's the boys. This bro right there. Put that bitch off of bro. Halloween. And I might take the eyes out that bitch because I ain't gonna lie. You damn near can't see. You damn near can't see at that motherfucker. Had to turn that light on because you couldn't even see me. But yeah, man. I'm thankful that the boys never pulled me over with this shit on. My motherfucking paddle shifter's not working. It is what it is. But it's your boy Dre Money on the Dre side. This is my side. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? I drop daily videos. I just went and got that Hellcat blower. I don't know if y'all gonna see that yet, but shit, y'all know not. Just know that that's probably gonna be the next video if y'all see that before I drop this video. Is that another Barbados? I think that's another Barbados. It look like it. But yeah, man, get it with me. It's your boy, Dre Money. Yee!
Me and Dre on the flight locked in. Pull up playing in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean, A at the O, yeah, we drop about 10. Freaky bitches at the B&B, I want the best friend. Say you wanna